Looking to generate animated ad creatives with AdCreative AI? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how this powerful AI-driven platform can help you create stunning, high-converting animated ads, all with minimal effort. Stay tuned to learn how to unlock your full potential with AdCreative AI and get your hands on an exclusive free trial. I'll be sharing that info at the end. Let's dive right into it. AdCreative AI is designed to help marketers and businesses create ad creatives faster and smarter using artificial intelligence. Whether you're looking to generate ads for social media, Google Ads, or any other platform, AdCreative AI makes it simple to create ads that catch attention and drive conversions. The best part? You can generate animated ad creatives in just a few clicks, making this an essential tool for anyone looking to elevate their ad campaigns without needing a design team. All you need to do is input some basic information about your product or service, and the AI will do the heavy lifting. It's built for speed and efficiency, but it's also incredibly versatile, allowing you to customize everything to fit your brand style. Now, let's talk about the process. When you first log into AdCreative AI, you're going to be greeted by a user-friendly dashboard. From there, you'll choose the type of ad you want to create. Whether it's a static image ad or something more dynamic, like an animated video, the platform has you covered. After selecting the animation style, you'll fill out a short brief. This includes details about your business, product, target audience, and any specific creative direction you want. AdCreative AI uses this data to suggest multiple ad variations, all personalized to appeal to your specific market. It even uses AI-powered insights to optimize the design and messaging for maximum engagement. What's really impressive here is the AI's ability to generate animations that are not only visually appealing, but also optimized for ad performance. The platform takes into account factors like color theory, font pairing, and attention-grabbing visuals to ensure your ad will stop users from scrolling. The animations themselves are professionally designed and eye-catching, making it easy to grab your audience's attention without spending hours on design. Another thing I love about AdCreative AI is how it lets you preview and test multiple ad versions quickly. You can experiment with different calls to action, designs, and formats to see what resonates best with your audience, helping you scale your ad campaigns with confidence. And if you're new to ad creation or just want to save time, don't worry. AdCreative AI's simplicity means you can generate animated ad creatives without any technical skills. The software is designed to automate as much as possible, so all you need to do is focus on your messaging and goals. So, whether you're running a small business, an agency, or just looking to improve your digital marketing strategy, AdCreative AI is a game changer. It helps you generate stunning animated ad creatives in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. Now, before I wrap up, here's the best part. You can try out AdCreative AI completely free through the link below, where I've secured an exclusive bonus for you. This is a limited time offer, so take advantage of it now to create your own animated ad creatives and start seeing better results. To recap, AdCreative AI is a powerful tool that makes creating animated ads simple and efficient. It uses AI to optimize your designs and ensure they're engaging for your audience. And with the exclusive free trial available through the link below, you can start creating high-converting ads today with no upfront cost. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer. Click the link and get started today.